Home Remedies presents. Try this simple herbal remedy and see what happens. Sage is one of the most popular herbs for smudging. This aromatic plant has a vivid and long history when it comes to medicine for the body and the mind. The benefits of using sage in smudging or burning include cleansing a space, clearing out negativity, improving your mood, and boosting your brain. Burning sage is one of the best ways to tap into the healing benefits of this wise old plant. Let's take a look at the potent purifying benefits that come from burning sage. Purifying negative ions. By burning sage, a glut of negative ions can be released, which will neutralize the positive charge and leave us resplendent in our own energy once more. Clears air of bacteria. By burning sage, you are quite literally disinfecting the air. Scientists have studied the cleansing elements of sage and found that when this herb is burned, it can clear a staggering 94% of bacteria out of the air. That's huge. Improves sleep. If you tend to be kept up at night with toxic thoughts, the churn of the monkey mind, or even aches and pains, burning sage could be just the lullaby you are looking for. Brain booster. Sage is also said to be brilliant at encouraging clear cognition and giving your brain a boost. Some studies shown that sage does have potential cognitive enhancing properties, which may even help in the treatment of dementia and Alzheimer's. Spiritual benefits. The body and the mind, each affects the other. The spiritual elements of sage are what has cemented it clearly within cultures that connect with spiritual practices and cleansing rituals. Remove negative energy. If you feel like the space around you or within you is filled with a negative energy, you could do with a spiritual spring clean. Light up some sage and let it work its magic. Calms anxiety, stress. Not only is the scent of the sage super relaxing, but the act of burning the sage can help us to direct our energy and set an intention. All of this adds up to less stress, which is why rituals can have so much positive power in our lives. How to smudge, how to burn sage. Here's a quick guide to help you stay connected and present when smudging your sage. Prepare. Gather all that you need to burn your sage, such as the sage smudge stick, an abalone shell, a lighter, and anything else you think you need. You will also want to open a window or door so that the smoke and negative energy has an exit point to leave the space. Set intentions. Intentions are truly one of the most important part of smudging, as it keeps us present and mindful in the ancient act we were undergoing. Light the sage. Hold the sage at an angle and light it with a lighter. It may take a moment to catch. Let it burn for 10 to 20 seconds and then gently blow out the flame. Smudge the area yourself or place in abalone shell. As the smoke begins to billow, you can either walk around the room if you are smudging a space and encourage the smoke to flow. If you can, guide the smoke towards the window or the door and show it the way out. Don't forget to pay extra care to corners, mirrors, and big spaces where negative energy can cling. You can also simply let your smudge stick burn safely by placing it in an abalone shell. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.